If you are also targeting for 2026 prelims and अभी भी अगर आपकी तैयारी नहीं हुई है तो do not worry on that. I can quickly guide on some of the topics which are important for environment and geography. First, coming to the geography, as you know that in the physical geography you can target some of the very important topics, climatology and oceanography. Climatology में आप quickly देख लीजिए insolation, heat budget, and apart from that do not forget to do the pressure waves. In geomorphology, the questions which have come are from the P waves and the S waves. They have become recently very important. In 2023, there was a question on the P waves, body waves, and from the oceanography, you can definitely do your currents. Currents, you should know that which are warm and the cold currents, because many questions has been asked from that. Next, in Indian geography, you can quickly see the agriculture portion, crops. Crops में आप देख सकते हैं कौन कौन सी bodies हैं which have been associated with it. For example, if I talk about tea, then there is a tea board, there is a coffee board, all of this which is important. And do not forget to do whether they are the statutory body or what kind of body in which under which act they have been actually formed. Then you can definitely do the vegetation of different areas. That is also important. Apart from that, in environment, do not forget to do the biodiversity national park wildlife sanctuary section. This is one of the most important area wherein many times question has come. And then important topic from the climate is your all the conventions which have taken place recently, UNFCCC's meetings, all the COPs which have taken place, and what all decisions has been taken in those particular COPs. It becomes really important. For example, some agreements associated with the UNFCCC, if there is particularly, then definitely you should go through that. Environment preparation is more or less is based out of your current section. So do not forget to take a cue from the current section. Whenever you are revising your current section, always remember, do the reverse engineering. If this particular part, for example, if you take an example of, for example, cold desert 2025 has been included in WNBR, which is your World Network Biosphere Reserve. So definitely you should do some of the static topics of the cold desert, in which particular wildlife sanctuary, is situated in that cold desert, whether there is any river associated with it. All of this static portion you should definitely do. So this is a very quick summary on what you can do in the nth movement. I'll try to bring more videos on that for quick revision. Thank you so much.